Since the invasion of Ukraine has begun, Russian forces have faced massive resistance and have lost or abandoned several weapons in the Ukrainian territory. This includes tanks and even drones, but now a very sophisticated system has also been captured. The Krasuka-4 electronic warfare (EW) system was found abandoned on the outskirts of Kyiv. It's potentially the most valuable system that the Ukrainians have been able to seize so far in this war. This command post container was apparently found in a location close to the capital city. Viewers may note that the Krasuka-4 is split into two parts, a command post module and an electronic warfare system, which are mounted on two trucks. Photos of the unit posted on social media appear to show the container containing the module covered in tree branches, which seemed like a hasty camouflage attempt by retreating Russian forces. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes why the capture of Russian Krasuka-4 by Ukraine is a prized catch. Let's get started. This video is sponsored by NordVPN. NordVPN is a premium VPN service available for macOS, iOS, Windows, and Android, with more than 5,400 servers in 60 countries. Your privacy is vulnerable to factors like data logging by internet service providers, and NordVPN is known for its zero-log policy. Your local content can be blocked based on your geolocation while traveling. For example, your favorite TV series can be limited to your local region when you're abroad. A VPN or virtual private network can help you to protect your privacy through an encrypted connection to its servers. With a broad range of servers in various countries, you can access websites that are not available in other countries. Also, it stops invasive trackers on browsers and scans URLs to warn users about malicious websites. Use the link in the description to get 71% off the 2-year plan, plus a gift from NordVPN. At the checkout, use the code DEFENSE to get an extra month for free. The 1RL-257, or Krasuka-4, is a Russian-made mobile electronic warfare, or EW, system designed and manufactured by the company Bryansk Electromechanical Plant, Kret. Bryansk Electromechanical Plant is the leading armament and warfare equipment manufacturer for the armed forces of the Russian Federation and for export supplies in the following areas: ground radio electronic warfare and intelligence systems, aircraft radar equipment. Krasuka-4 is derived from Krasuka-2, but is much more powerful. Krasuka-4 is intended to neutralize low Earth orbit (LEO) spy satellites, ground-based radars, and airborne radars (AWACS). The max ranges around 300 kilometers or 185 miles. The system is also able to cause damage to the enemy's EW systems and communications. In November 2013, Russia's defense ministry had received the first Krasuka-4. Krasuka-4 is meant to complement Krasuka-2 units already in use by the Russian army. Together, they can provide powerful radar jamming capability. A large turret is mounted at the top of a shelter present at the rear of an 8x8 military truck chassis. Two circular antennas are mounted on each side of the turret. A telescopic mast with another antenna is fitted at the rear of the turret. In travel position, the turret is stored inside the shelter. In combat position, two hydraulic stabilizers are lowered on the ground, mounted on each side of the shelter. The Krasuka-4 vehicle is fitted with a crew cabin at the front and one shelter mounted at the rear of the truck chassis. As per reports, the cabin section is fitted with a Class 5A armor, which provides protection against the firing of small arms like AKM 7.62 mm. Krasuka-4 is designed to be mobile. It's based on the KAMAZ 6350 8x8 military truck chassis. The truck is motorized with the KAMAZ 740.50 360 diesel engine, developing 360 horsepower. The truck can run at a maximum speed of 95 kilometers per hour or 59 miles per hour, with a maximum road range of 1,000 kilometers or 620 miles. The truck design ensures a fording depth of 1.75 meters. Krasuka-4 is capable of suppressing spy satellites, ground-based radars, and AWACS, Airborne Warning and Control System. The system works by creating powerful jamming at the fundamental radar frequencies and other radio-emitting sources. Krasuka-4 is able to effectively protect objects on the ground against radio-locating surveillance satellites, ground-based radars, or AWACS. For example, the system can be used to protect systems like the S-400 air defense system from saturation attacks. As per the manufacturer, interference caused by Krasuka-4 will render radio-controlled missile attacks ineffective. The system has been designed to counter attacks from enemies possessing advanced technologies. Some Western experts have described it as a tool against flying radars, such as the USAF E-8 Joint STARS aircraft, or reconnaissance satellites, like the United States Lacrosse satellite, and a means of protection against surveillance drones. Electronic warfare is some of the most technologically challenging and important aspects of modern-day military operations. Russia has a long history of dominating the electromagnetic spectrum. It's thought to be one of the leaders in this domain. Russia has used systems that interfere with the signal reception from satellites in eastern Ukraine too. So the capture of Krasuka-4 is potentially a treasure trove for the West. As per reports, the seized unit will be examined by Western agencies. The Telegraph reported, adding that it will likely be taken by road to the U.S. Air Force's Ramstein Air Base in Germany before being flown to the U.S. Importantly, Ukrainian forces have also taken prisoner a Russian lieutenant colonel who specializes in electronic warfare. The captured officer is possibly the most senior Russian figure to be held as a prisoner of war and is likely to yield vital intelligence on the military's electronic jamming and signals interception capabilities. It can be said that the West has got a very good opening. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.